Vincent, you buy some banana today. How much for the, but this are the real. How much for the banana?
$300.
$300 for this. And how much for the pepper?
Pepper fish, 150. Yeah, 150. A dozen.
150 a dozen.
Yeah, and this is 2 dozen.
So that's about $1. What, $1.10, $1.20. Yeah.
Alright. $300 a pound.
A pound for chocho.
Yeah. Half pound.
It's a half pound.
Yeah.
Okay, near 50.
$150.
$150 for that only.
Half pound. This is half pound.
$150. So here's $1.20
Yeah.
American for one chocho. Carrot.
$200 pound carrot.
$200 pound carrot. Wow. Okay.
Onion, $400.
$400 a pound.
Onion. Cabbage is $200. No, cabbage is $150.
$150 a pound.
Yeah, $150. Sweet pepper, $200.
200
A pound.
a pound.
One coconut, $150. Dry coconut.
What $1 that? Okra.
$100 dozen.
$100 dozen.
Yeah,
Okay.
okra.
Okra.
Pumpkin, $150.
150.
Yeah. And yam, $250.
And the yam is 250 a pound.
No. Yeah, $250 a pound.
And the sweet potato?
Sweet potato, $150.
A pound. So all together what that's today? So this will cook about 2 pots of soup.
Yes, ma'am. You can make 2 pots of soup.
It's a sip. I tell. People, the real banana. If you don't come live Montego Bay, what you need to do is make sure you don't have in the house, but lease a piece of land in the country, plant your own yam, and hire a man to plant up pepper, lime, chocho. You don't make no sense you come home retired and I buy food at market. That don't make sense.
No.
So you have to lease a piece of land
Salon.
or have a farmer
Yeah.
plant up everything. People, this is the best thing for do. Hire a farmer, pay him every month.
Yeah.
Make him plant your cabbage,
Yeah.
plant your okra,
Yeah.
plant your pumpkin, sweet potato. You're gonna need a lime tree, you're gonna need a chocho tree, pepper, onion. Plant up, get at least 2 acres and you're good. And just pay the farmer. And then bring it on taxi and bring it straight to your house. Because spending money every week like this, if you live in a Montego Bay or anywhere, right.
I don't see dashing. I don't see cocoa. I don't see those things.
Okay.
I'm working on see. Yeah, I don't see those things.
So it's best to plant, people. Plant. Onion are $400 a pound.
Yeah.
Yeah, look, $400 a pound for onion. Lord, and pumpkin. No, not for plant or anything, man. People.
Pumpkin.
If you know,
$150 a pound for pumpkin.
Lord of mercy. So 2 pots of soup about $20-30 US.
Yeah.
2 pots of soup about $25 for everything.
Okra, $100 dozen.
We're not gonna start plant, no sir.
$100 dozen for okra.
Well, Vincent, we're gonna cook, we're gonna celebrate. That's the life go.
It's a lot.
Alright, good. I'm gonna go get some of the banana. Yeah, man, put them in the fridge. People, we're gonna cook a mean piece of ital soup. A mean soup today. You see? So, I just started going up, people. You don't have to, Randy's been telling them, when you come live in Jamaica, you have to have a lime tree, a chocho tree. You have to plant onion, plant your sweet pepper. You know, we're not supposed to buy this. I have rainfall, right? Sweet pepper, simple thing. Okra, simple thing. Okra beer all the time.
All the time, how can I stop there?
Right? Cabbage are easy thing. No matter how old you is, you're supposed to plant. Look at breadfruit. Much if you look at breadfruit. $100. You know what? You know what? You country then jump on my tree. I said I like Montego Bay now.
Let me tell you what happened.
You want to
You see in the market,
Yeah.
a pure $100. You know, no $50. Come punch you in the chair, man, I sell something for $50.
No, I'm playing with you.
$100, $200.
Everything.
Look at yellow yam. $250. And when they walk out, they come, we sell it for $2. So if you can come out and buy.
So people will now work a lot of money.
Yeah.
In Jamaica, can't really buy food.
No.
Can't go market.
Can't go market.
They have to eat flour and rice.
You have
I pay flour and rice.
You have 6 children now.
Yeah.
And your husband, 6, 7, 8 that now. When I go to market to go buy now, much food, money I go carry. And $10,000.
God.
I go down buy. If you buy meat in this now.
Oh God. The good thing we don't eat meat now. So we're there. Will you buy caramel?
Yes,
We have sugar.
buy
So we can make some caramel parties and eat some bread.
Yeah.
People. That's how it go. So Jamaica right now, food.
Expensive. Food dear and
That's why
clothes.
everybody slim down here. Most of the people them slim. Can pay for all dumpling and eat and rice. And chicken back.
And the flour you eat in are really whole wheat flour, you know.
And the white flour them I eat.
When I buy this white flour, whole wheat flour, I shouldn't buy. Shouldn't buy the white flour, never remember.
Yeah, we mix with the caramel though.
Yes, mom. When the caramel is very good still, you know.
Show them survival.
Yeah. You can't survive. That's why people want to go foreign. And you can't tell them say foreign rope. You can't believe. When they sleep on board. Spread, you see the sheep on the board and they sleep on it. Man, you get up on my bed and fit back myself. You come out and tell a man that you don't believe it.
If Jamaican people were farming though, aggressively, even okra, even simple thing like okra and pumpkin to make soup
You know, a man, a pure okra himself. Pure okra. That the man they sell when you see them here at Montego Bay market. Not more okra, some big bag of okra. So. And he sell.
making money.
But making money. One dozen okra now for $100 now. One dozen, so much food out for one, you know. One single one.
I said that. So Jamaicans, this film demonstrate to you, if we don't start farming, we're in trouble.
Problem.
Returning residents, you're going to spend every single week. So learn how to plant the things. Pumpkin, every human being can plant pumpkin.
Yeah, man. If you just stick a pumpkin, I said, oh, you take up the land.
No matter. And every human being can plant okra. And every human being up to picnic can plant chocho.
Yeah, man. What?
I just yam and breadfruit.
It's a breadfruit tree. And the root to catch it from, you know.
Mm-hmm.
You see the root to come up, you chop the side, and make it stay there until the seed starts spring up. You take it up and plant it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, but enough people don't plant breadfruit tree. Breadfruit tree just grow.
Oh, so you chop it
Mm-hmm.
and you see it spring.
Yeah.
And then you cut off that.
Yes, and plant it.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Water it. Yeah.
So enough of them people have breadfruit tree and they never tell me that.
Yes, man, that's so breadfruit
Just chop it and it spring up back and you cut it off and plant
Yeah, and plant it.
Okay.
Yeah.
What other tree work like that?
No, a little tree.
Just a breadfruit tree.
Mm-hmm. And you see mango? We call it in-graft. In-graft mango. You can do it.
You graft it.
In-graft it. Put a next mango on this tree and make it there. This is East Indian. And this one is common. You take the common and take the East Indian and put on the common.
Tree.
Yeah. And get a different common.
Alright, so I could make some common porridge. Make a graft the porridge with the cornmeal. Alright, people. So for our cooking experience, we're gonna do a mean soup today. Soup will be consist of a little bit of potato, half of the okra, whole of the pumpkin, whole of the coconut. We're gonna devour the breadfruit with it. Can roast that. Half of the carrot for cook on the soup. I do half of the, I do the whole chocho. And the pepper, throw some pepper in it. And I'm gonna do a wicked sip soup. Half of the yam today. We're in budget for Jamaican family to show you how it works. People, I'm warning you know, this is the new world. Please, me beg you know. If you're not moving to Jamaica, you live in Jamaica, figure out how to plant okra. Make sure you have a 2 or 3 lime trees in your yard. Go to the country, plant a whole heap of lime tree. We're not supposed to have play for lime.
No.
But you know, some would have fence up a place and lock up my lime them because people with TV lime and go sell them. You know, it's funny. You know, say if me now go plant a whole heap of lime tree. Whole heap. Whole heap. You know, some man we count it. We have a fence to put a dog in it. Cause lime nice.
Expensive, you know. You never know this man, you know, it's a lime expensive.
So you know buy lime?
Yeah, me buy lime, but I buy the juice.
Oh, you buy the
juice.
How much you pay for juice?
The juice, no. No, man, buy juice. Then put something in the juice.
Yeah, man.
So it's natural.
No good.
So this is natural.
And the real thing this,
juices,
man. The real thing this.
When me say to the lady, listen, somebody send me come by and me want to give me no lime and no juice, man. She said, no, the more lime you have on the tree, people just come in at teeth. If I husband, dead left here, Kagaland, yeah.
And lime just
yeah, so guinea the funny, no.
But lime I love, you know. But me I tell you, say, if me plant a whole lime walk, then we have to get some dog to protect me dog. Get some and me onion too. Look at the onion, they look like say them are suffer terroristic. $4 a pound. $400 a pound.
$400.
A half pound this.
Yeah. Let me say how much a pound you want? 400. I want to better buy from today for tomorrow it go raise. Go to 5. For you can't get 400. Lie them I tell. Lie them I tell them. Rob me own people money to rob. And you know better rob them for when you rob money and you get it gone.
Well, I'm gonna tell them, I'm looking at the fridge so when I stock up here people. Right now, we have some dumpling and some banana. We have some banana today. We still have the whole Guinea, but we're not stuck up yet. This is Jamaica survival story. See it here. We know we have some skeleton for the soup and some thyme. How much did you pay for the tomato? $100 a pound. And the pak chow? You know what we do? How much dumpling left in the pot? Check the dumpling. Cause if you just steam some pak chow. How much? Count the dumpling. Yeah, we have dumpling left in the pot. Alright, good. Make go warm that up.
5 dumplings.
5 dumpling left. We can do 5 dumpling. May you eat the 5 dumpling with the pak chow. Alright? So 5 dumpling. 1 for you, 1 for me. We can't eat half the food now one day, you know. See the survival story. We have half a hockey left. And some guinea. Alright? And we have our bread. Okay. Well, my barrel will come. You know, my barrel may have some pasta and some canned salmon and something. So may I go eat off all the food. Whoa! This is Randy and Vincent show, survival story. If we run out, we run out. Yeah. It's sun out. We now have to come out for heat. But we're going to deal with some soup and we're going to deal with some sip. We don't eat the meat no more. That's how we do it. So we have 5 dumplings left. And we have 1 for Vincent, 1 for me. Alright, Vincent. I could set up with steam breakfast. Good. The ants them can pick up this juice here, you know. All the way from outside now. Sugar look like it have an energy thing in the ear. And then can pick it up. If you pour a little bit of syrup right just so. You know, so the ants are going to pick them up from, eh?
No time see for that.
So how come ants can figure out syrup there right there, so, eh? Something must have give out energy out of this sugar. You see what I'm saying? How them going to figure out the syrup there right there, so? If me put syrup right there, so now, them are come. You see, so true we start to eat food in the kitchen, you see them a line up. Them know what's the food about, you know, they know. And people are say, we smarter than ants. Ants can get down a road and send the food up on your kitchen counter to, oh.
You never see your ants store their food. You see your rain of fall and ants are storing your food.
Inside. You know, they crack them out of the wall.
Yeah, you see that with some like a white something. And you see
Sugar that.
Yeah. I'm going.
Anyway, you eat sugar cane them there. How they know? Sugar is the energy of life. That's why when you get a wife and she's sugary and nice, you always attract too much man. So the nice curtain you want to go stay in the Airbnb where me and Vincent there right now. No, we're not lucky. Vincent, warm up the dumpling them, make a steam. One of the pak chow, 2 of the pak chow. In the house, yeah, sir. Why Jamaica life, you know? Jamaica good life. But for couple pound in a nice, we're not gonna stay in a nice. But couple pound too in a nice bedroom with fridge. And what's it not? And to put on no clothes. But we don't have a nice roof too. But couple pound too. Our couch we go sit down in a TV for watch. Big fridge downstairs. What? See the picnic bedroom, yeah. The whole family's coming to Montego Bay. Wait, the banana out and door too. And so now go on with the banana tree. See it there? Banana tree, Jamaica. Good life. We don't have good bathroom too. I want the red to the banana. People. Welcome to home. And you can feel just at home when you come to Jamaica. Yeah, your wife and 2 bedroom downstairs and your daughter sleep upstairs. Your son can't sleep downstairs. And grandma can't sleep downstairs too. So that's 4-bedroom. And if you want more space, let me know. But Randy take care of you everywhere we go. Alright, we'll warm up some dumpling. And I'll cook the soup later. Alright, Vincent? Yeah. Everybody want to go foreign? Mm-hmm. Why everybody want to go foreign?
Better life.
Better life?
Mm-hmm. Nowhere like Jamaica.
But if Jamaica...
Roast food, roast breadfruit.
Mm-hmm.
Roast yam with saltfish.
Mm-hmm. So you can roast yam too?
Yeah,
manage water.
Roast potato, roast yam, roast breadfruit, roast cocoa.
You do rundown too? Mm-hmm. You do a serious rundown with mackerel and coconut?
Mackerel and coconut.
Where is that to me?
2 coconut grated.
Yeah. The rundown. I get the...
I can cook with saltfish.
Rundown saltfish?
Yeah.
And then rundown salt mackerel?
Yeah.
So I'm gonna get some salt mackerel in. I'm gonna make some rundown. Some nice calmy dumpling.
Yeah. Blend out with the coconut.
Mm-hmm.
And make it go right down to oil.
Mm-hmm.
You know, put in a thing, the mackerel cook one side first.
Mm-hmm.
And then you put in a mackerel, the onion, and just kill them piece of time. The garlic.
Turn down the water a little bit. Me's a water police. Just a little bit like turn it down a little bit. Yeah. Me's a water police. Cause where did it come from? No water no there, Manchester. You know, go Manchester. You look like you grew up in a tank water. You come from St. Elizabeth, Black River, with enough water there.
Most water.
In a Manchester, we don't have no water. So the way you use water, cause river place you come from, we turn down water.
You can't waste it.
Sir.
You have to pay water rate.
No, sir. We not even that, it's just, we don't like the water waste, cause enough. So I go steam some, everyone enough pepper in it, you know. You have to go double them up and cut them, man, cause you go take all year if you cut them. People, welcome home.
Enough to well coconut.
Steam quick.
Yeah, enough to steam, that's the salty.
No, it must just have a crunch to it. You know, so wow, nice if the carrot did shred. We find a great time. We shred the carrot, right? And then we steam the carrot first and mix it in the pop chow. Cut one of the onion, because we have to ration the onion, you know. We can't go and say with the foreign, you know, Vincent. We have to ration the onion. Yeah. See it there. Let me go get the grater.
Butter bean and saltfish.
Butter bean and saltfish. Oh, you mean? Lord, you're talking my... You're talking my Jamaica good line.
Butter bean. One of them are broad and one put the broad one then.
But you know, sir, me don't miss the chicken, you know. Me not eat it. I want more now. Me touch and go for 1 or 2 times because, you know, me I try to make sure the body not fail for me.
You can't eat the chicken.
No, but me not going to eat none. Me I try to discipline myself when me down here.
Yeah.
But so, I really, the rundown me have to go master.
Yeah.
The soup me have to go master now.
Yeah.
And pure steam callaloo and saltfish me there for
There's no callaloo now.
No callaloo not out there.
There's no callaloo.
You know, some of that plant out some callaloo in the backyard. You know, Vincent if you plant some callaloo in the backyard.
You can't plant, man. I get by one cup of seed, man.
Yeah. You could plant some callaloo, man. You see me?
Why not take long to come, man?
Has one church and some pumpkin too.
Yeah.
Because we're not supposed to buy pumpkin. And we not can get a breadfruit tree and plant around here too.
You can't carry on from here.
You know, so we can plant the breadfruit tree over the fence, over the, in the bush. Nobody knows say around there.
But you are here.
Yeah, for grow.
If you grow. You can't plant it under a tree. Understand?
Everywhere we go, up here, cho. Everywhere we go, up here, cho. Alright, let's take a break and we'll be back with Vincent and the dumpling and the... Yes, take a break, people. How about mushroom?
You know it?
Yeah, man.
It's nice thing you eat, you know.
You eat mushroom.
I'm not eating my over so come when you want it.
Over foreign?
Sister came to our restaurant. Evening time when we go home, you know. Although she have here restaurant, you know, evening time when we go home. You tell me one next restaurant we buy food and she will buy one soup thing. And when you go home, before we sit down around table and eat and drink. And then now she gone up here and in my room.
So me say he's a rumhead?
No,
But you drink the rum though?
no man, I don't drink rum.
You don't drink rum?
No.
You drink Bad Boy? Magnum?
Yeah, I may drink a rum.
Magnum, okay.
But I don't drink rum.
You don't drink rum?
No.
Why not?
Rum to rum. I have a friend who rum kill him. The whole inside of him burn up.
When did that?
Alti, he couldn't play cricket. Good cricketer.
Yeah.
And I say Alti ease out of rum man. Every day Alti drunk.
Yeah.
Every day drunk. And we have one named Joe. Him dead too. Rum kill them too. You know, stop drinking rum.
But him drink too much?
Drink too much.
He was a rumhead.
Yeah, Alti.
Alti, rest yourself in peace.
When he dead, the doctor in him burn up. No drink rum. No, we drink a beer or a jagger or a Magnum. We don't drink rum.
So if you say me make some rum punch, you won't touch the rum punch?
Rum punch?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Some grapefruit.
Yeah, that's different. But you would take the rum, Miss Man buy the rum, just throw the water in and drink it up. Not me.
I just sent Elizabeth, you know, in other parishes. Other parishes,
Yeah,
you know.
man.
Other parishes,
Clarendon.
you know Clarendon?
Yeah.
Okay. I only, you don't know Kingston good?
Good.
You know Kingston good?
Good.
Oh, you know Kingston good.
When we left Black River,
Yeah.
we grew a town.
Which part?
Denham Town,
Denham Town?
right side of the police station.
Eh?
Yeah.
So you know Denham Town good?
Yeah, let me from them live right there, so.
Still live there?
Yeah, still live there right now.
You know,
Years them live there, that them come in like them a citizen.
Where is that to me?
Everybody them know them around there. You see, alright, you see me I go look for them, you know?
Yeah.
Me call them.
Yeah.
And then come meet me right at the police station. Come meet them go in.
So you can't
First
just go in,
time,
you
we
can't...
couldn't go in, first time. But the young girl, boy, them we grew up now, they don't remember me. But the older head, they remember me.
Yeah.
They did live around there.
Yeah. But you
And
can't...
we used to make dust pot, aluminum dust
I'll
pot.
sell it.
And sell it in a coronation market.
Okay.
Make stool and bench. The time I get one bench of a 2 shilling. One stool of a 2 and 6. One iron bowl of a 10 shilling or 12 shilling. When we rock it, we get 12 shilling for it. When we not rock it, we get 10 shilling. And we move home, sell the thing.
In a Denham Town?
Yeah. in a coronation market.
Coronation market. So you used to sell a coronation market too?
Wow. In me carry the bench and thing go sell.
Okay.
But the country people, them when they come, they don't have nothing to sit down on. So they glad to buy a stool for me and buy a bench for you.
Okay.
And my sister, husband, him me learn trade from cabinet building.
Okay.
For me used to make an iron board then, and then go to Port Maria go sell. But he left out Thursday morning. No, Friday morning left out.
Yeah.
And go sell and come back. When he come back, he sell off everything.
Do your son and your family know all them things there?
Yeah, and tell them man.
Then on town.
Yeah, then I'm town.
Wow.
Yeah, so me go.
So if you're good to know, you have to call them.
Call my sister named Cherry.
Cherry.
And her husband named Headley.
And say you're coming.
Yeah. But they long to see me now. Years now they don't see me.
Yeah, see,
He said, my brother, come look for me no man. And he said, yeah, come look for you no man. So he said, anytime you come in, call me.
Bring you in. Wow.
I said, my sister big.
Mm-hmm.
My daughter son big.
Maybe we'll go road trip and maybe we'll go check them, you know what I'm saying?
And I like to know them man.
Yeah.
And the high building now when them build then I'm talking right to the remand center.
Yeah.
The police can be but I saw the them box.
Set up the thing.
So
Alright, so go, we see what happen. We'll see how the Lord work.
yes man.
Wow.
Anytime.
Yeah, my friend at dinner on town.
Yeah.
So you know we have to travel the world. Alright people, we're gonna take a break, we'll be right back. Wait. So you go steam that.
Yeah.
Welcome back people. We're back on the show again with the man himself, Vincent. Vincent at the top chef, 72-year-old man, does everything. So when you come to stay at this Airbnb, Vincent will take care of you. This is pop chow for breakfast with couple of dumplings I left over from last night. Hey, Vincent, we're going to get some baking powder. I will have to go fry some dumpling with some saltfish, you know?
Saltfish and ackee.
Yes.
Fried dumpling.
Yes, sir. And then we have to get some cocoa for the cocoa tea. And we have to use the good table where the people are going to use when they come. So the good table, eh? People, this is the good table we're going to eat. We didn't want to use the good table because we know you're coming. And we know you're coming to book the Airbnb in Montego Bay, so we didn't want to mess up the good table, all right? So we will have the good tables for Uno. So Uno no come, Uno can't use the good table. Yes. Nothing like some steam pop chow. And we have a hockey tree in the backyard. We're going to plant a lot more. And we have banana tree. And look at that, more trees and thing. Nothing like a hockey tree. I could turn off the light cause it's daytime. Let's take a break, we'll be right back. Just say no.
You say where me live?
Yeah.
One of this. $50 now. At the shop up there.
$50 for one?
Yeah, one.
One?
Yeah.
A liquor shop?
Yeah, liquor shop.
A highway robbery that?
Yeah, man.
So you know put up plants on that one, you know? Do you plant anything in our flower spot where you live?
Mm-mm.
No?
You plant nothing for. Sure, rent not pay there, so.
Yeah.
And they are dog there.
The dog them?
Dog they were going to the mess.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah.
You know, you have to strip your one on the right too.
Mm-hmm.
You have the bad part.
$50 for one
$50
onion. So if I come there and plant onion, I can make a living.
Living off of it.
I don't strip nothing more for it because I'm going to lose it.
Alright, you see, Irish,
Yeah.
you don't get no Irish now. Like $200 pound for Irish.
$200 pound.
Irish. $200 pound Irish. Now next knife here.
I have some knife I come. I don't want the fly to come in. Circle yourself, fly, circle yourself. And come in. Come over to your business. Come out of the house. Come out of the house. Fly, come out of the house. Come out of the people in the house.
Cut up the onion. The sweet pepper. Put one eye hot one. You have to take time, because take time with the water. Cut half of the sweet pepper.
If we bring you to Manchester, I go say.
Half of the sweet pepper. Take out the seed. These are really vegetable, you know? You want to eat good. And slice it up.
Yeah.
That's everything alright, you know? You know what I'm saying? A few days, you never have fertilizer food.
You didn't have fertilizer for food?
We beer food. We used to use cow manure or goat manure. Till they come in with fertilizer. 2 days, them cut down banana now. And 2 days time, banana start ripe. You have a watery thing, when they dip it in, and then they put it out there, so now, next hour you see banana and plant start ripe. Force ripe.
Force ripe?
That thing is nice.
Come in know when the force ripe, you know, it look too perfect.
Yes, so we said to the man, say, when you buy this morning, he said to him, I take a chop on the banana and force it to ripe. He said, no, natural banana. He said, no use fertilizer. So he give me one for taste. And me taste, and I say, really tastes like
Natural.
natural.
Kind of like the banana bush too.
Yeah.
That helps to make it ripe too.
Right.
Yeah.
So, but anything in the right now. But the money we are holding.
Yeah.
And God sister, that's how you do it, forget it. You ever survive?
No, sir. I've got a slice of some pepper in it.
Yeah, you never survive.
You like pepper?
I'm not like pepper, man. Pepper good flavor, but you know, feel the seed.
Okay.
The seed go by your heart. Yeah. And tomato seed too, you know, eat tomato seed.
You know, feed the seed up on your heart.
Don't cook You cut this. You cut the tomato.
Yeah.
You take out the.
Take out the seed.
Yeah. Take out the seed out of it.
You don't feed the seed?
Mm-mm.
Why not?
Well, when me come up, you always tell me that, you know?
Mm-hmm.
So, you have to eat the seed, but they never really tell me why.
Mm-hmm.
You know, so now I always take it out. Because sometimes, all time, these people tell the things, you know.
Mm-hmm.
If it goes so, you know.
It goes so.
Yeah, they say, every day a bucket I go, they will, one day, but how much I forward. Yeah. And that's so.
So I'm going to bring bucket of well and I'll peer pan me break.
Yeah. One day. What the reason why they say that? One of the reasons.
When me say make you bring bucket of well one day.
Tell me.
We'll have to change up the thing a little. You can't do the same thing over and over.
No.
Change it up a little.
Every day you I are quarreling people.
Mm-hmm.
Change your ways, man.
Yeah.
Enough people now take it things all the time, only kid out. Him gone to prison, you dead.
Yeah.
This man now, man, I tell me, say, you live down, my brother. Your family.
Yeah.
I say, why? And he said, Andy go up and I. So she has shown me the clip like her. She went and I said, man can jump off on this so low and jump on your head and broke his neck. He said, no man, that's a low place, you have to jump on high to you.
A broken neck.
And your eye did go out. So I said, and the boy didn't do it.
Yeah.
And my father, no, my husband.
Yeah.
He said, right now, my husband, sickly.
Okay.
And I said, so what can I say? She said she don't know. But you see them people there, they believe in a obra.
Oh.
So when you believe in a obra, the man with the leader right at the office said, look here, you can't make something happen, you know. And you can't make your husband do a so and so and so. You understand me? I wish we can do it, you know. But you want to get your money, you know. It's on fire.
Yeah.
Take your money.
Yeah.
So,
Life tricky. You can't make people put things in your head.
no.
If man not pay rent in your head, don't make them come live in there.
No.
You see?
No.
Nobody not to live in your head, Vincent. Nobody. Somebody text me and say, watch out for this. I say, come out of my head. My surrounding is with God. Why am I worry about you in my head?
Yeah.
No put no fear in me.
No.
I have enough mosquito in their country to put fear in me. You know?
Don't put no fear in me.
Only mosquito can come on my ears and whisper.
Right.
You see, because them are only Lord Vincent, man. Tell her Vincent, look pretty, man. Look there. He's a real chef, you know?
Pretty man.
Oh, pretty man, look how life simple. How much you think we'll pay for make this happen? This about $700?
Yeah.
So that's about $7.
Yeah.
It's about $6 US.
Yeah.
But it's beautiful, man. Food for eat, man. Money enough to watch food for eat. I love it, man. Look at it. So you just set up your thing like that. Very nice. You're a top chef in the world now. The whole world are gonna know you, Vincent. Little bit of a vegetable I go buy.
Yeah, vegetable I love it.
A coconut oil, Vincent. This is the worst thing you could ever buy. Or corn. But it's alright for now. No, make them tell you vegetable are good.
The coconut oil.
Are the best.
You can see it in the tin.
And they freeze up.
And the freezer.
A real there.
A real coconut.
I tell every Jamaican.
Yes.
One of must plant coconut tree.
This is the vegetable.
Yeah.
The vegetable make it.
Mm-hmm.
But the one you use it till...
Shall it done out?
Right.
So we do a little bit of it.
So little.
Yes, Jamaica, good life. See if they are right. So we good there, so. A little bit of oil on the pop throw and the pepper. and tomato and one onion. We ration on the onion still, you know. A little bit of salt. Yeah, put a little bit of seasoning salt in there too.
Already.
You put it in there already?
Yeah. No, black pepper. Just a little salt.
Alright, there we go.
The pressure, you know.
You don't know salt, raise the pressure, we can't do that. Keep the pressure low.
Alright, black pepper too. This meat seasoning.
Alright, we're not going to kill it. I think we're good now. Alright, we're going to take a break. We'll be right back when it's simmered down. Randy and Vincent.
It's simmered to itself now.
Yeah, man. How much for the box of matches?
Maybe no matches.
I say $20, them say me find out. Round the road down there, sir.
$10 for 1 out of the road.
$10. So she robbed me.
You can't buy all this shop, you know.
I robbed me then.
Yeah, you can't buy
Oh, you go sell me 20. I go back to him and say, oh, you sell me matches for $20.
$10.
Lord.
You can't buy nothing.
Me know, me did just want a piece of bun.
Yeah, you can't buy nothing.
What you saying to me?
It's too expensive, man.
At $20 you send me the box of message for.
Yeah.
I'm going to go back to him and talk to him about it.
You wicked down the door. Don't mind that. Alright. 150 they sell one Pepsi Pro. And one ginger beer. 130. $130.
You did turn back the gas?
No, I'm never told you to look like
We did turn it on back? We not turn it on back, you know, maybe. Because see if it turn on.
It did leave on.
It did leave on? We never turn it on.
I see.
Alright, people. We pay for gas. So I don't know if I say nothing. Alright, last team. Alright, the dumpling from last night. So every day we eat, we're going to show you what we eat. We're real about it. This is real Jamaica, good life. You see, and this is the man called Vincent, and I'm Randy, alright? We'll come back soon. Lovely morning, welcome back. And this is breakfast, 2 dumplings from last night, and we did some pop chow. Vincent did it again. Look at that, amazing. Good work, Vincent. And again, see the people. 2 dumplings for breakfast and some pop chow. This is Jamaica, good life. Right now we're gonna stop live it. Give God thanks. Take care of yourself. Vincent, you mash it up again. Later. People see that dumpling from yesterday? Jamaica, good life, we say a real pop chow. And play with the thing out. This is a dumpling. 2 dumpling, 1 survive. The other one, I don't know where I'm gone. Take care of yourself.